Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our latest interior and design updates. In today's video, we'll talk about some important interior elements that can completely transform your space, including wardrobes, furniture, Sunbrella fabric, dressing tables, joinery, and wooden podiums. Wardrobe. A wardrobe is more than just a place to store clothes, it's a key part of your bedroom design. A well-planned wardrobe helps keep your space organized and clutter-free. Modern wardrobes come with sliding doors, soft close drawers, mirrors, and customized storage. Furniture. Furniture brings comfort and function to your home. From sofas and beds to tables and cabinets, good furniture defines how you live and relax. High-quality furniture is designed for strength, comfort, and long-term use. Customized furniture also helps maximize space and matches your interior style perfectly. Sunbrella fabric. Sunbrella fabric is a premium fabric known for its durability and weather resistance. It resists sunlight, stains, and moisture, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. This fabric keeps its color for years and is easy to maintain. Dressing table. A dressing table adds both function and elegance to your bedroom. It gives you a comfortable space for grooming and daily routines. Modern dressing tables feature storage drawers, mirrors, and stylish designs that enhance the overall look of the room. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Joinery. Joinery plays a major role in interior finishing. It includes custom-made wardrobes, cabinets, shelves, and wooden fittings. Good joinery means strong construction, clean finishing, and perfect fitting. Custom joinery helps you utilize space efficiently and achieve a polished interior look. Wooden podium. A wooden podium is widely used in offices, conference halls, schools, and mosques. It provides a professional and elegant platform for speakers. Wooden podiums are strong, durable, and can be customized in size and design. They enhance presentations and create a strong visual impact. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.